been recording for 24 minutes now. Why you got to keep bringing up old shit, Gene?
Well, 21 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay.
He said he ain't good at math, Josh. He said that in the beginning.
No, I didn't say no. First of all, my vision was blurry, so I thought I seen 24, but I'm looking now. I see 20. That don't got nothing to do with. Ain't nobody add, subtract, multiply, nothing right there. You niggas is talking really. All right, all right, all right.
Hold on.
Y'all want to hear about my math equation?
Yeah, how you count? Count, bro? Tell
No,
your story.
that's not how I count. I said multiply. See, don't do this, Gene. That don't have nothing to do with counting. And it only works with multiplication. Okay, this is my theory. Okay.
Yep.
You have an original number that gets multiplied.
No, use a number, bro. Don't say original number. Use a number.
Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a few different examples so that I can show y'all that like no matter what numbers that I'm picking, the math that I'm talking about goes the same way each and every time. Okay, so 12 times 1 is 12 all day, right? You multiply 12 one time, you got 12. But you have an original 12 that was multiplied from. So my theory is anything that is the first number that comes before the x needs to be added into the answer that you get. So 12 times 1 is 12, but then your original 12 added to what you got after you multiplied will give you 24 when you leave the building. Now, 1 times 12 is also 12. Huh?
Where the hell the building come from?
This is just to give you a visual. And 1 times 12 is also 12 all day, but your original number was 1 that came before. That was the first number before the x. So you add 1 to 12, and now that's 13. If you walk into somebody's shop with $12 and they say, let me multiply your $12 by 0, come back and don't hand you shit, not even the $12 that you walked in with, you just got robbed, motherfucker. So why would you ever accept 12 times 0 being 0 if you had 12 already?
You don't have 12. You have 0. You have
No. You walked in with 12 and somebody multiplied your 12 by 0, then handed you absolutely nothing, not even your $12 back.
You did not walk in with 12 because if you walked in with 12, you would have to walk in with one of 12 things. You can't walk in with 12 of 0. So,
Sean, 12 is the original number. That's the first number before the x. So 12 is the number that you walked in the bill. If you got $12 in your hand and you walk into a shop and they say, let me multiply your 12 by 0, and they go to the back and come back out there and don't give you a damn thing, not even your $12 back, didn't you just get robbed?
If they say I'm going to multiply your 12 by 0, it means that I'm going to give you 12 zeros, 12 nothings. So yes, you were robbed and you agreed to it.
No, see, this is what I'm saying. They didn't get nothing after they multiplied by 0, because of course you don't get nothing if 0 is the number that you're multiplying. You can't even multiply 0, which is another thing I'm about to get to. This is another thing I'm about to get to. But because what I'm saying is you have an original number. They can't say let me multiply anything if there's no number there. You know what I'm saying? So at best, what you can say to me is you didn't multiply when you use ones or zeros, right? You just counted what I had. So then how do you use the word multiply?
So
you can't even use the word multiply because you didn't do shit.
Multiplication is just a fast way of adding. So that's what I see it.
So if I have 12 of something and you multiply it by 1 and you come up with the answer of 12, that means you only counted what I had in my hands.
Yeah, you only counted.
So then you didn't multiply. Why are you using the word multiply? You did nothing.
That's just how it goes. It's not.
No, it's not just how it goes. At one point, slavery was legal. Didn't make it right.
No, but that's a little off topic. But yeah, okay, no, yeah. But
you know what? I kind of get it. I kind of get it now. Actually, though, I kind of get it. I kind of get why you didn't graduate.
I got my GED, motherfucker. Don't play with me. Yo,
Damn.
this is crazy. How you?
You had him full of hope. He was so
All right,
hopeful.
5 times 6.